Let's now take a quick look at the idea of clarity and overlaps in our manga style hair. Now, when we're drawing out our hair, we're busy building our hair clumps, we're trying to get the overall shape. We really want to strive for simplicity and clarity in the 2D iconographic view of the hair. Now, we're still building the hair on 3D forms, but we want the overall look to be unique, appealing, but simple. This is very useful, especially when we need to constantly redraw the same character at different angles, at different poses, in different comic panels or manga panels. It's very, very critical that we achieve a unique and appealing look that is simple. And then we can expand on the simplicity of the rough by adding more strands and more clumps and adding the details. So keep your manga styled hair and the designs unique, appealing, but also quite simple and very clear. In addition to this, we want to make sure we're being very careful with our line overlaps. And we want to make sure that our lines are overlapping, helping the viewer to understand what is in front and what is behind. When we fail to do line overlaps, we're taking away from the piece. We're taking away dimensionality and forms. We really want to be careful that we're not tangenting our hair strands together, where it's very unclear to the viewer what is in front and what is behind. We simply cannot tell. Rather, when we have clear overlaps, we can see that this strand is in front, this strand is behind, and this strand is behind that strand, because the overlaps are very, very clear. These are just two very important things to keep in mind as we move forward drawing manga styled hair. I'll see you in the next lesson.